Usamla Kit Kupar nongsit Maria Poi Hashalong hadien baulawan ban aireng haka World Championship ha Las Vegas USA uliat ho ban Nyngkong poi pyrkhat satya bo poi shaduh ka kala bakhat do jang ka jingyakop namar kinongwan shimbenta ki de ki betibet suda nakum bahan ri photali ki ri ka perthai yakane ulapen pau ha bakran ha ke jingalang pen buram balapen long da ka sorkar jilla ringkat ke jingetre lang bar ka dan Bosco Media Network ha ka program ka balong ha kendai large long ladan lang ha kini gesngi naduh acting director ka tnad sports ba paya nongbri ba Bobby wa lang kynthup ya managing director ka dan Bosco Father Michael Makri na lor ki kimi ki kpa bat ki bahayeng hasam jang usamla Kit Kupar Hagane gajing yalang la yo ru ya gajing rai ni isamla shivinya ibade ila do baningkong ha ka surkan ut badru ni hybrid several jirwa ila do ha ka limpong badang shula shen jong ka surkan ut laban kedo hang ni bakan nam bat ka buram ka ba usamla Kit Kupar nong siet ura na ka limpong yakob ka bahe tam ha ka perthai latip kum ka World Championship of Performing Arts ka balong ha Las Vegas USA laban kedo hang ni ba usamla Kit Kupar ula khur laitli kita ka maksar artli kita ka maranong but ka first place scholarship award ha ka World Championship of Performing Arts ar haja apun riew ka badang shukut shen ha Las Vegas
Kadaiba mamakin dari senior member jungi ben pendeng yang no studio bas special. Tapi au kit kapungor dari member jungi ru ben pendeng. Sini sini.
Pada idazah kita singkap di kepanjang nama dia mai bertrai shipong dan penlang kumbak penlang yang kini kecil ke pemerintah.
Lok bait batiang idus. Tak tahu last minute rui on yes father ngam do dikuslai na margong daki wi keman ru I have a backbone uban yarap yang aku boleh sibun sarpaya I know you will do it and you have done it aku boleh sibun Sir Bobby Miss Rida kiba ya tray rangkat apo sports department ngam don kentin ban ong namar ngam expect pa pinuan sene Henry kane ka peni ka jing jung bi gi kun samla na kata kata pidan hang ne aku boleh sibun Sir Bobby but I Madam Rida ngayang urang ne ban ai play ye chief minister ibalai rap yang I kamtam yo kit ya ka journey jong kit ngayang urang ne ban ai play ye sir Wailat ibede minister in charge jong ka directorate of sports and youth affairs government of Meghalaya hagajin shisha ila kular banwan Henry hakikam ge bakarki ihap ban be no shakaway ka program ka bakham kongsan na takadaw
of sports and youth affairs government of Meghalaya. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to Kit Kupar Nongsit on his outstanding achievement at the 28th World Championships of Performing Arts 2026 in Las Vegas, USA. Congratulations Kit. Tolong ke khubor ke ba sokben sibun Natai om tangi kinong yalam jong pi Andrei wat yengi kinong penya nak benta ka roi ka pat ki kena semlah kani ka dong katain para ka jelahi bar kawai. Being among the top 5 finalists in the vocalists of the world, winning 3 gold medals, 2 bronze and receiving the first place scholarship award is a remarkable accomplishment in itself. You have brought pride to Meghalaya. Pilawan lam yaka kei ka basno tanak yaka jela jungi bat ngi kermen ba pindang ya ceprang ba pindang yai job ba pindang yai ra ka buram yaka ri ba jaj penriu jungi Kit Kupar journey proves that talent, when matched with hard work and determination, can take a young person from a small village in Kitchi, in Meghalaya, to the international stage. we are especially proud that he participated in the Chief Minister Youth Engagement Program, which started long back in 2013, and he was part of the contingent which went to Indonesia, led by the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs. I think he also recently was part of the contingent in the Viksit Bharat in Srinagar, right? Yeah, congratulations again to you. We are very proud actually of him, including, being part of the renowned Shillong Chamber Choir. His success is an inspiration to every young person in our state. I would like to sincerely thank Kasur Kanot, organized by the Don Bosco Media Network in collaboration with the Don Bosco Media Network Television and the Don Bosco Youth Center, for providing a platform that nurtures young talent. My heartfelt appreciation also goes to Father Michael Makri, khubor shubur ne Father, ngatrai PPD uwe ne ki Richard, ki ba yelom nanti ban penorlong ikini ki kam prepare kabantagi samla jungi. I also congratulate Kit Kupar's parents, Ba Iban, Simli, Nyngkong, Ba Iban di Batrish Tamudo Katata, not only in the music industry but even in sports. He's president of the Koko, Meghalaya Koko Association. He's also member of the East and West Archery Association. Kalau kengke ba stunat ba Iban ba Nyngkong ban ai min siem ni khun ba kin be ka thong ko ki kwa ba nga pen shlori borok khai ki kimin ki paro ba kin buat yang ni ka tinjap ka ba nakaliang di ba ai ban be kong ru khlieh. My appreciation extend to the people of Kinshi village for their warm send-off and unwavering support to every mentor, teacher, friend and well-wisher who stood by him. Kit Kupar, today you are more than a champion. You are an inspiration. Your success reminds every young person that dreams have no boundaries. With dedication, humility and perseverance, anything is possible. The Department of Sports and Youth Affairs remains committed to creating more opportunities for our youths to excel and represent Meghalaya on national and international platforms.
Lyngba jong I Father Michael Makri ya ka jinitrish tom gejongki dei maki ki balong ka kemi kanang prat lenti yang kat hadu bangan poi hadu kani ke benta ka pamenta te ngamdon ni ban ai phi pada te dei ubli nang yai kerku ye phi na ko ka por skoi pat knang ba phinang la ban yai tre ye ka kam knang ba phinang la ban sei ki samla ki ban mi khmat ya kari ke jongi kumba mga ngal ada ya gani ke benta te ngasuban ai kubli shibun eru e ki bahaya ngasam ki jonga ki paralom ki parajor ki bala one shaw yang ana na Guwahati airport te langsung lah ban mudur mau bangan yo ya gani ka jimjok nomor hapur bangalit satairu ka competition kalong ka ba top ba kalong ka ba wa nomor ba ki participants ki bawan kamot ki lade ki ba tebit sudah naki hendu putni giri te ngasim mentah vocal nama kidon bun ki competition kidon ki basyat ki barwai ki batem dengan ngade hak barwai te porbang ila poisate ila pet ki we bakirwai kamot ipail oyang ani patlongra yo patlongra te tama nanti bre ubli dan langacang plan ma ngayok rung hakasemi te hakasemi ru ya habia compete yang ngayok rung selan haka top 5 te ngatara kini ki baro kimda iri ki kiba ngi itmu ma kide kiba ubli itmu na kamenta jonga te nga sngo kemen bang ngapoy siya ka top 5 jong ka vocalist of the world haka World Championship of Performing Arts. Haka jeng sisa tang bang alayok man represent ya kari ya kajala ya kasnong na jongi ngalak so bang alak long lupa utau nong job. Hendrai bangan poi kat hadu ka final ka top 5 but artily ki bronze lightly ki gold. Kamut ngalak so ngahap ong I am proud of myself. I am proud sisa. Te kani ka jing job jonga kamdire tang ka jing job jonga kadi ka jing job jong nilang barok kiba iban hande daga jing ai mensiam ka jong pi daga jing tinti ka jong pi daga jing kersham ka jong pi kiba ying hasan ki paralo ki parajor ki jing duai na kamta jonga kamut ublei usngap ikini ki jing duai ki jongi te ngamla ban siu keliang ngamla ban jer kerteng ya noeno andre ngasoban ong ba kublei shibun sia jarmu ya kajing duai ke jongpi batum juru ya kiba ki kitu kiba no senyang lam na kabenta jonga bangan ya let chatie ngamla siu ban siu keliang ya pi we baro but kham tam e ya u chief minister jongi u Shri Konrad Sangma ya kaba ula no senyang na benta kani ke jinglet jonga kat hadu bangan yolet chatie nomor ban yolet che US kamut kamdi ke besuk mbrai daga jingtri stam jongi lang baro kamut nilai yolet chatie kat kabang yo ka visa te masuk ai kublei shibun ya baro kiba la no senyang kumaong ngamla ban siu keliang ndai ngakermen bau blei un ai pi kamet ka pakwet ka bakya ka kamai ke ji ka babyang bat kumjuru kayeng ka basa kasan ka batip yo blei haman kasni kipor ka jing emjangi te hagani ka por nga kham expect ra bangan haproai nomor bangala ngam yo rasra nadu men sisi nga shong flight kan riew kanta te tangna Qatar sa US na US ya Qatar kan riew kanta kamon la stress la yo pangru terus amne habbe ka flight menin ngalecha Mumbai to na Mumbai sa Pune ngabe sini te mene ngapoin tu kaje te ala so yui tama ngan hab ai ni ngatrai ka wi jing roi ngan sampan kre ra te jing roi ka ba ngan roi ka ni ka por ka dei love on the brain.
Some people live for the fortune, and some people live just for the fame. Some people live for the power, yeah. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that physical things define what's within, and I've been there before. Our lives are bored, so full of the superficial, and some people want it all, but I don't, with nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got you, baby. Some people with diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got you. Some people search for a fountain that promises forever young. Some people need to be those roses, and that's the only way to prove you love them. Hand me the world on a silver platter.